everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 960 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm really excited to try out this Nudestix lip glace that I got in my September 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, and I was really excited to see a Nudestix product in that box because I've heard a lot of great things about Nudestix for a long time, but I've barely tried out any products from the brand Nudestix. It's pretty pricey. Like this product right here, the lip glace, retails for $28 for a lip gloss. So that's definitely pricey in my opinion, but I got it for a great deal in my $50 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. So if you want to see all of the other products I got in it for $50, I'll have my unboxing video linked in the description down below. I got this in the shade Nude Cherry, which I'm really excited about. I love a red lip, but I was looking this up online and you can get it at Sephora and Ulta in some other shades. Also, when looking this up, it made me really excited about it because this is supposed to be plumping, and I love plumping lip products. This says it has a lot of really nice ingredients in it, like shea, avocado, and astrocarium and murumuru seed butters to hydrate and condition the lips, which I'm always looking for, vitamins A and E, and then it also has a 1% polymethyl tripeptide 38 complex, whatever that means, but it's supposed to be supports natural collagen and hyaluronic peptides for moisturization, a look of volume, and softening lip texture. That's a lot of information right there, but what I take away from that is that this sounds like it is going to do a lot of good for my lips, along with also looking really good on my lips. So let's check this out. Oh my gosh, I thought it was going to be a squeezy tube, so I'm surprised to see that it actually has a little applicator. So it's like a rounded tip applicator. I like that packaging. Whoa. This has such a nice minty smell to it. That's another surprise I was not expecting. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it because I really don't even know how this color is gonna look. Okay, now that is a cherry red. And it's not completely opaque pigment, but it does have a lot of pigment and a lot of shine. Okay, so far I'm very excited about this. Now let's see how it is on my lips. Okay, that is pretty, but I have to say it's definitely the type of lip gloss texture that I would describe as sticky. Even just applying it with the applicator, like the applicator is sticking to it. Ooh, but look at that, it is buildable in color. And it has a nice cooling feeling. Not a painful tingling, but I definitely get that cooling feeling that kind of goes along with that minty scent. And cherry red is the exact perfect color description and color name for this. It gives really good color, but it's more like a toned down, easier to wear red lip because there's still some sheerness to it. But it's so shiny, it looks like a juicy cherry red. I love it. It is very hydrating on my dry lips. It really does look plumping because of how shiny it is. Like my lips look smoothed out. I am really into colored lip glosses these days, and when they have all of those beneficial ingredients and then a little plumping, cooling effect, just makes it that much better. And what I love about this cherry red shade is at first I thought it was going to be how it looks in the packaging here, which, I mean, that is kind of a year-round red, but definitely a little bit darker of a red that I would consider more like a fall-winter shade. But seeing it on my lips, it's a little bit more pink, a little bit more sheer, lighter. It's a year-round wear anytime, day or night type of red shade, so I'm really happy with that. Oh, but you know what I'm noticing? As I'm talking and wearing this longer, it is kind of gathering. So, like on the edges of my lips, it's not looking super smooth. And it's not super noticeable, but when I review products, I am very picky. So I am noticing it kind of sliding on my lips. And maybe I applied too much, but if you want to get more of a red color, you do have to layer it. So that's just something I'll have to keep in mind, is not applying too much, and it's definitely going to be the type of product that I have to touch up very often. Even not after eating and drinking, it still is not long lasting on the lips, which is kind of a bummer, especially for $28. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this out, what your thoughts are on it. I like it, but I don't love it, especially now that I'm looking at it and seeing that it doesn't look freshly applied, and I only applied it a couple minutes ago. I don't think it's worth $28, especially when it comes to lip products in general. I don't think you have to spend a lot of money to get a great lip product. I mean, I find amazing LA Colors and Shot Miss A $1 lip products that I wear all the time. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.